Okay, here I'm going to show you a side where we're going to have side angle again. This time I'm going to say angle A is 20.5 degrees like we had before. Across from side A is little a, and we're going to call that very long, 42. And little b's down here somewhere, and little b is 31. So with a long side A across from angle A, I made it to scale, it's this long. Can I make a triangle at all with these numbers? Well, here's my B, here's my angle A, and here's my side A. So I'm going to put it on the right here, and I'm going to swing it one way or another to try to form a triangle. And as you see way down here, if I extend this side, I had to bring out another piece of paper. So, alright, so I'm extending that side, and angle B is not going to be up here. This is, so this, what I've extended is actually across from angle C, so it's little c that I'm extending. And since it wasn't given to me, I can be as long or as short as I need it to be to make a triangle. So I'm going to put this long side, little a, at the top and see where I can make a triangle. Way down here, I can connect with the base of the triangle there, the other side of the triangle. See, I moved my paper. Let's get it back. All right, there we go. So I'm going to draw the side from C. I need some tape or something. All right, this will have to do. So we have, there's my really long side that I said will be case 1. And that is going to be the 42, the really long side. But can I swing it another way on this triangle and make a case 2, make another triangle? And the answer to that is forthcoming. There it was for this one. But look how long it is. This has got to come and connect to this side here. And notice, no matter where I swing it, no matter where I swing it, it never connects to this baseline again. It's just too long. So it can only make a triangle when I swing it way out this way and add a second piece of paper. So in this case, SSA has only one answer, one case. So you have seen SSA where there's no answer, 2 answers, and 1 answer. So I want to end today's video by trying to show you how you can tell mathematically without drawing scaled drawings and cutting out sides and spinning them around. You can do it with good old mathematics. So I'm going to ask you to investigate this one. Say A equals 22, B equals 12, and A equals 42. So let's sketch that without a scaled drawing, just a normal sketch. Say this is 42 degrees at angle A, and across from angle A is a 22, and B is somewhere down here. So little b is across from it is 12, and 22 would be like this, something like that. So we're expecting one solution at least, but I haven't drawn it very well to scale. Let's zero in on it a little bit. So I haven't drawn it very well to scale, so I'm not sure. Maybe this could swing in this way and create another triangle, maybe not. So I'm going to let math tell me. So here's how you can tell. Just start down your law of sines. So I'm going to take this pair, 22 over sine of 42 equals 12 over sine of b. All right, so that's normal law of sines work. Solving it for sine of b, I end up with, skipping the steps in between, I get sine of b equals 0.36. So verify that for yourself. And when I take sine inverse of 0.36, I'm going to get angle B, which is 21.41 degrees, which is my angle B. All right, so I can continue solving this triangle by, I can put the 21.41 here. I can get angle C by subtracting 180 minus 42 minus 21.41. There's a point there. And that came out to be what did it come out to be? 180 minus 42 minus 21 came out to be 116.59. So we can get that the normal way. So we're pretty happy about that. And doing the law of sines again, blah, 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 I'm going to get that little c equals 29.4. So the math just gave me what the math does, and we've got all our 6 parts just using the law of sines. However, when we go to do the other case, we're just going to go assume that there is another case. That tells me that this 42-degree angle has a side of 12, I'll make that shorter, on this side, and we're thinking 22 on this side. That's how we set up this one, but perhaps there's another one that we can swing inwards and get another 22 to fit in there and find and solve this triangle, case 2. Remember the trick, this is an isosceles triangle, so whatever this angle was, which we know from up here, it's 21.41, whatever this angle is, this angle is. And how do I get this one here when I know this one? We subtract it from 180. So when I took 180 minus 21.41, I got an angle, and it looks like that was 156. Let's see, one from 158.6, we'll say. 158.6. So I'm going to pull out that triangle so it's not so messy. 158.6. So now we know this is 42, was given in the problem. This is 158.6. So let's go ahead and find the third angle. All of them are in a triangle. So I'm going to get 180 minus 42 minus 158.6 to find this second case angle, what is that one? C, angle C. But when I do that, I notice that it doesn't work, because when I subtract 180 minus 42 minus 158.6, I get a number that is negative. So we can't have that. So you can think of it another way. 42 and 158.6 add to 200. So these two already add to more than 180 degrees. So we're not going to be able to subtract those two from 180 and get a normal angle answer. So we're going to get an answer below 180. So that shows us no can do, which is the math's way of telling us there's only one possible case, and that's this one. So with this information, proceed as if you have two cases. One will lead you to normal answers, but when you swing it the other way and make your isosceles triangle and calculate that third angle at the top, angle C, you'll see that it will be impossible to do. That is your signal from the mathematics that there is only one case possible. So, SSA. All right, we will be practicing those for a little bit when we get back together, and this is the only video that you will need to see. It is in 3 parts. I need to see all 3 in your comp books. So, till we meet again, hope you're having a great time. I know I am. So, see you then. Over and out.